Hi guys, Michael Spade here of Spade Apps. Today we're going to be giving you a walkthrough of our app, MLA Cited. So when you open up the app here, you notice that there are four main tabs: Citations, Notebook, Reference, and Search. I'm going to go through all four of them. We're going to start with Citations because it's the main functionality of our app. You notice on the main screen here, it just has a list view. You can it'll sort all your different sites as you create them when you're doing your papers. Also, it'll organize it by the title you set it. I'm going to create one here. We're just going to go to the Add button at the top corner. And you'll see your different list of templates you can choose from. I have them organized by print, web, and other. Up top, I'm going to select the book citation, one author. So when you come to this screen, you notice there's a field here. You can enter your title of your research paper. It helps just better sort it out. And then as you go through all the information you'll need to create this site. So I'm just going to put in some generic information here just so you can get a look for it. All right, so let's do research paper 1, last name, first name, title, city, publisher. All right. So once you've entered all of your information, just go over it, just be sure it's all spelled properly, and then go to just the Create button up top. When you create it, you notice you come back to your list of templates again. I set it up this way so you can do more than one at a time. I noticed when I was always doing papers, it was never just one at a time I've always done, so you can come right back to it. If you only needed to do one more or add one, just hit Done at the top corner here, and actually you'll see your site. So up top you have the actual title of the research paper, and then it just gives you a little preview of what the site should look like. So when you select the site, you notice again you can edit the title. If you need to make any changes, you had any spelling errors, that's there. I'm happy with this one, so we're going to be able to just hit the File button up top. And then you can save if you've done any edits, email the site out, and then print. I mean, normally you wouldn't print just one site, but it's there if you need it. I'm going to actually leave this open because I want to show you a cool feature with Notebook. So when we come to the Notebook section here, again, empty list. I haven't created anything yet, so we'll start right up top with the Add button here. And we'll just do New Document. And there it is, and then there's the title again, and then your date. That's how it'll organize all of your notes. And then as you go through, it's just an empty blank template, just says new note there. I'm going to clear that out because I want to show you what you can, besides just taking general notes for your papers and things like that, you can actually use it to send all of your sites out at once instead of just one. So I've came back to the Citations tab here. I'm going to choose to select all. We're going to copy, and then we'll paste it in there, and just so you can have a look for it. And there you go. You can, and then that way that'll let you email it out with multiple sites, so you can format it with your computer or another app for Works Cited. All right, and then that's just the rundown of Notebook there. And then when you come to Reference, it'll just give you the run through here of how to format your paper, what the first page should look like, doing a short quotation, a long quotation, formatting your Works Cited, which is what mainly you use this app for. And then actually I've put down here the citation formats themselves. If you need a manual, just a manual version instead of it automatically doing it for you, I put it in there if you needed it. And you go through, you can kind of see all the same ones we have the templates for. Go back, I mean, you can kind of see the layout, paper format. You can kind of really just check this off as you're going through, whether you use Word or any other version of that program. It's here for you. You can just set the formatting times 12-point, double spaced, 1-inch margins, that kind of thing for your MLA paper. Alright, so that's always there if you need it. And then under search, I made this section so you don't have to bounce between apps, especially on the iPhone. Bouncing between Safari and then back and forth trying to save information can be kind of difficult. So I just hit the search button up top. This one takes me right to Google. Whatever you prefer, you can actually set your home page to whatever. If I wanted to look up the MLA format, I mean, it's all here, that kind of thing too. And I'm going to actually save this page, and then it shows up there for my searching itself. Alright, but that's the basic rundown of MLA Cited. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments. and then we'll be able to get back to you as soon as we can. Also, we can, if you have any suggestions or want us to add more templates, I can usually do it within the week. So just let us know. Thank you.